Now what's this big bad secret Joe wants to show me? Well, I'll show you here. I'm just gonna kind of get the rest of my mud kind of pushed down so I got the edges level, or the bottom level, okay? Like that. And now, before you wrap this up, take a sponge, take a wet sponge, and I'm going to go around the entire surface of this so I don't get any crusties for next time. See, if I wipe this down, I'm not going to have anything that gets dry on this plastic now, am I? Okay, I probably should have a bucket so I could rinse this off. Okay. Okay, so you're going to take a damp sponge. You're going to get all the crusties off because they're just going to get wet and you're not going to have anything dry. You're just going to have plastic now, okay? All right? Stick with me. Let me rinse this off for a minute. Okay, I've rinsed out my sponge. I want to go give it another go around, and the outside edges here, you're going to take those dry bits right off by getting them wet and doing away with them. Okay? All the way around the plastic bag. Where she stops, nobody knows. Okay? Like that. Take a little water. I can pour just a little bit in the top of this. Like that. And then I can pull the plastic back up. Knowing that I'm really not going to have many crusties next time I unplastic this. I'm going to take the plastic, push it right on down, try to get the air out of it. You can leave this in this plastic or this cardboard box for quite a few months, you know, ready for your next patch. Just like that. And I still have the little twisty. I'll put the twisty on here. There. Just like that. Now when you get ready to use it, oh yeah, I'm going to pull it out. Unroll this. You're not going to have many crusties. Pull that down like that. Get your plastic out. Push it over here like that. Pull it on down. And if you have any little bits of crusties, you're not going to have much. You can just kind of do this business on the top and then get your bucket, your mud here, your pan, and put a little bit in there, you know. And you're good to go for your next patch. You know, it's funny, it's amazing how many years it took me to figure that out. And I only figured it out because I watched my friend spray texture these walls where I'm at. And he did that on his plastic bag, and I thought, why have I never thought of that? And so that's why I wanted to bring it to you. Anytime I learn something new, you are the first one to know about it. Well, that's all I got for this time, but stick around. There's more to come because I'm making more videos for you.